Alright, now we're going to take a look at how the wiring diagrams work. And so since we already have a code and it's bringing us up wiring diagrams, we're just going to choose this rectangle here. And then I'm going to scroll down, and this is one diagram. Very easy. We're going to keep on. We're going to go to something more difficult. So this diagram obviously has a lot more wires coming in and out of it, and so we'll take a look at this one. Now I'm going to zoom in here, and as you can see, I can mouse over different wires and I can then choose to highlight those wires. And if I want to gray everything else out, I hit this eyeball, and you can see the wires are still there, they're just faded. So when you go to print it, it'll make it even more obvious when you go to print it. Now you see here I selected these Now if you see here, I selected this dosing unit itself and it highlighted all these wires, so I'm going to bring it on and off. And so that's allowing you to choose one component and have it trace all the wires for you. And if the wire went across the page, it would also move it across the page. And then you can just hit the blue arrow over here to go to the next diagram. In this example, there's one of two. Now what's nice is as I'm moving around with my mouse, I can see it. This came to the after treatment module. So if I select it, from within the wiring diagram, I can then get back to the same content that was in those rectangles you saw a minute ago, and I don't actually have to leave the wiring diagram. So let's take a look at this connector. So you've already recognized this connector end view from a minute ago, but if this went to something that you weren't familiar with, then here's your pinouts. Again, you do not need to leave the wiring diagram for this.